So next there are the relative velocity last topics are there, okay, which we will try to do. So those questions are hard to find. Okay. Now few points you try to write down a graphical representation of relative velocity in one dimension. Okay. We'll directly come to the concept here. What is it here? A graphical representation. Graphical representation of relative velocity, okay, in which body? In a one dimension, okay, 1D, one dimensions. This is a quite easy topic, okay, if you understand it well. Otherwise what happens, it will be very difficult. Clear? Now, so the previous class I have already discussed the different questions with you, okay, different types of question when they are approaching each other, when they are going away from each other, but there are certain cases are there. So those cases also the questions can be framed, possible that this question can be asked directly also, okay. So but you need to have a base knowledge with it. What is the base knowledge? Now you see I am actually having what is it here, the position time graph. What is this one here? Position time graph. And my condition is that the position time graph of object with the equal velocities. What is this one here? Object with the equal velocities. Equal velocity in the sense va must be equal to what is it here? Vb. With this, whether it is true or not, we have to see it. One thing is very clear. Yeah, we will go with the analysis of the graph. We already knew that. So analysis of the graph, what is it here? The, you know that if I try to see the slope of these two lines, will it be equal or different? Yes or no? Will it be equal or different? Equal. If the slopes are equal, then these two graphs are equal. Velocities are equal only. Will they catch each other? Will they catch each other? Yes sir. If they start from the same point, they can be caught easily. Yes or no? But if they are at a different position, they have started now, they'll never meet. Will the parallel lines meet any point? No. Yes or no? So logic you should understand. So velocities are equal because here the reason is what is it here? Slopes. Yes or no? Means slope which is m, the tan theta is equal. So tan theta is what is it here? A constant I can say. Yes or no? It is correct. We know that. But you see this is started where, buddy? This is started with maybe the different velocity. They are equal velocities only. They keep on rising, but their starting points were different. Let's say the starting point for this one is xa. Can I write like that? Starting point for this one is what is it here? Xb. It clearly says that. Clearly say that what is it here? Xa will not be equal to xb. Am I correct? Xa will not be equal to xb. Okay, and the particle never meet each other. Will they meet? No. So I will always write that the particle never meet each other. Yes or no, Shabari? Yes. So they may frame the question, the distance are equal, velocities are equal here, the distance are equal, no. They started with the different distances. Yes or no? Logic, let's understand. For example, we are located in the same, same line like this. Let's imagine yourself. Now what is it here? I am here just now. I've started my bike. Okay. Here, and here someone is there. Who is that? Pranit, who is not interested in physics class. Yes or no, Pranit? Idiot. What he understands, I don't know. He is in somewhere. Shall whatever. I don't know where. Where am I located, buddy? I am located at xa distance, and this Pranit is located at a xb distance. We both have what is it here? Same velocity. My velocity is va, and his velocity is also vb. Started in the same time. We meet each other until unless Until unless what buddy? If there is something, reality if I face some traffic or something, he has to slow down, then only I can meet him. Otherwise will I meet him? Never. It's never possible. Yeah. What buddy? Increase the speed now, then definitely I meet. But this graph will not be like this. That is a meeting graph. Yes or no? So it is not a meeting graph. Are you clear now? The situation is clear now. Next. You finish writing? Write down. So this is case 1 you can consider.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Even if XP stops or slows down, X-ray can.
Meet. Tomorrow I'll check the notes buddy. Monday. I'll check the notes. Physics notes. Who is your class representative? You collect all the notes. Defaulted things we'll check it. Especially this fellow's notes I want. This fellow, that fellow, Morning Star. It's very neat. Screen is neat, right? Arey Shabari, sit properly, dude. Being a boy, you should be stiffer. Huh? Shall we move on? Okay. You Pranay, tell me. Shall I move on? Where you want to study? IIT Kharagpur only, no?
Sir, Madras.
Oh, IIT Madras. Very good, very good. I like it. The college starts with the Indian. Is always good. Okay? Indian Institute, Indian Institute of Sciences, whatever. Okay? You feel the, I'm telling you, will be the different attitude will carry. Okay? Are you getting my point? Any college, we start with Indian. I don't know which one. I don't know. Okay. I'm not a marketing person here, but it should be I. Okay? Clear, buddy? But you want to study Bina, your wish. Which is B? Yeah, it's a good college, no doubt. Bits, okay. Anything is B only. Okay, whatever. It's all depends on you and your parents and the, what is his name? Right.
What will you do?
No, whatever. Chalo. You don't know fundamental duties. You want to study in IIT Kharagpur. Hmm? See your faces, idiots. Okay. Without knowing fundamental duties, you are studying class 11. Shame on you, waste fellows. Chalo. Tell me what are the fundamental duties?
But
Chill, bro. Okay. No. Okay, whatever. See, Now, what is this graph indicate, buddy? Can you just tell me? What is this graph? VA is less than B. Yes or no? And what happens here? VA VB is negative, which means the relativity, relative velocity of VA with respect to B will be what is it here? Value will be negative. But what is this meaning here? This graph is meeting somewhere, right? Yes or no? Will it meet or not? Yes, of course. Now you see, even though this 40 and this is 20. Yes or no? Let's take the two important things here. Right. Now, at one particular point, this is a VA. This is a VA graph, right? So it is moving in this manner. So it is started, maybe you are observing, started from where, buddy, at 40 meters, right? And it is keep on going in this manner, means keep on increasing constantly, right? Now, what about this one here? You see, this one is started at a 10 meters. Yes or no? After some time, where is it located? 100. Means this is nothing but what is it indication here? Crossing each other. Yes or no? Can I say crossing each other or not? Now, for example, I'll tell you. Okay, simple example. Of possibility. There is one, like imagine yourself, you are one dimensional, right? Basically, one dimensional question only I am trying to do. So what is it here? One car A is here, car A, and there is one more car B is also there. What is this one here? Car B. Are you getting my point? Now VA is VA, and this is the velocity of this one is what is it here? VP. Now you know what is the condition here? Sorry, I'm very sorry. Let's take this is a B. So now B is crossing, no, and this is A. I will change some things here. Just wait. Now this car and this car, let's imagine yourself. This is a B car and this is a A car, right? Now B is actually located where? At a 10 centimeter, 10 meters. A is located at a 40 meters. Am I correct? Now what is happening here? VB means the velocity is VB, and this is what is it here? VA. Now VA is going with some speed, VB is going with some speed. Now obviously VA is lesser than VB now. Obviously this B will cross over it or not? Yes or no? Overtakes or not? Yes or no? Now this is I am driving the car. Let's suppose. Here this one, you know who is this? Who is this? No, matching auntie. Okay, the black color car, the black color, everything black. Okay, or white, green, purple, like that. Such auntie. Now she is coming. Okay, and I am going with my decent speed. VB is here. Now what happens, buddy? She'll never think about me. Okay, just she want to cross over. So that is the graph I wanted to mention. Yes or no? Clear? Now imagine yourself many examples you know already. Son or day to day, every day I'm facing this in Gobi Chittipalam. I was in UAE. I drove there, car, many types of car. The people never cross. If they wanted to cross, then there will be particular things will be there. Here, there is a big road. The left side there is a very big road. Okay, but that auntie want to come only in front of me. And I have to come here, right? Yes, I know. You might have seen that. There is a four-lane road we have here, very big road, but in front of me only. But chalo, got it now? Any difficulty? No. Chill. Then next one, the case 3 we have. Did you write this one? Yeah. This is the case 2, buddy. What, beta? Finish? Very good. Shall I move on? Shall we? Isanore. Shabari, you want to become mechanic or what? Are you a mechanic already? Why you want to repair all those circuits? Already they are not working. Chalo, shall we? Next case is case. What is this case number 3? What is the case number 3? You know already. Simple here. VA is greater than VB. VA is greater than VB. Now VA is actually moving very fast. Okay. And VB is less speed. Will they move here? No. So they keep on, what happens here? Their slopes will decrease or not? Yes or no? This slope means increase. So VA will be greater. Now if I say, what is this one here? VA and VB is nothing but a VAB. What is this one, Ray? VAB. VA value is already, what is it here? Becoming bigger and bigger. B value is becoming lesser. So what is the answer? You will get it here? Positive. Yes or no? Draw this figure. Done, buddy? Very good. Is it done? Chalo. Next, this is the case. This is the case. What is this case? But like this also, can we meet or not? Yes or no? Now for example, this A is keep on increasing its speed and sorry, B is keep on increasing its speed, VB, and this one is, what is it here? Keep on its value is decreasing. So will they meet at for this point? Yes, of course. The earlier point is like catching things. This one is, what is it here? This fellow is sleeping. What? Night out? Okay, whatever. So VA car is there. For example, you see there is a VA car like this. Okay, what is this VA car? The speed of this one is VA. Now what is this one it is doing here? It is keep on decreasing. Yes or no? Decreasing in the sense, what happens here? Slowly, slowly its value will be reduces. What about the B value is here? It is keep on increasing like this. So the car B, after some time, what happens here? It will cross over with the VB. Yes or no? Why? Because VA value is, what is it here? It is negative value, decreasing, breaking. Yes or no? What about the VB here? Increasing. So what happens in this situation? They will meet. They will also meet. Okay. Earlier case also they will meet. This case also they will meet. Earlier case both are actually increasing their speed. This case here, one velocity is reduced, one velocity is increased. Then also they will meet at one particular position. Clear? Is it correct? Case is possible or not like this? Yes, it is possible. Is it done, buddy? Any difficulty? No. Shall I move on? Draw the figure and just write it down. B is decreasing. So VA is, what is it becoming? It is decreasing. So VA is lesser than VB. In this case also they will meet. Shall we do question related to it? Deep questions will do it now. Shall we? Bolo re, shall we? Okay. Now tell me this question. Now this as a quiz we will do it. Okay, we know already the concept. You try to answer this question now. See the question everyone. Which of the following position time graph correctly represent two moving objects VA objects A and B with a zero relative velocity? Zero relative velocity means VA minus VB should be equal to 0. Which one is correct now? Very good. Yes or no? Smart. What about this one? Oh, this one same only, right? Hmm. Shall I write this question now? Wait. Do this question. Chalo fast. Within 10 minutes we should complete all this question. Write it faster. Two trains having length 120 meter, 100 meter are running in opposite direction with velocity 40 kilometers per hour and the 50 kilometers per hour. In what time they will completely cross each other? Oh, very nice question. Today we have two classes. Pranit, do it, Ray. Thinking what lunch should be, whether today sambar is available or not, rasam is tasty or not, appalam is given or not. Everything will be provided. Don't worry. Do it. Ray, remove a pen, idiot. Now I came to know why pen company is very profitable. Yeah, I'm thinking to establish. Yes or no, Ray? Yes, start. Two trains are there. How much length, buddy? 120, 100. 120 and 100. Now see, one train is like this, very big train. Let's draw one train like this. Okay, one more train. They need to cross each other or not? So they will not be in the same track. So one more train. Same reference point. Where are you standing? You are standing here, observing it. Yes or no? Am I correct? Huh? Yes or no? So when they cross each other, then what happens here? For example, after this is a case when you had started. So now after some time, what happens now? That this train, this is A train, let's say, this is a B train, let's say. From the reference point, A train will be like this, yes or no? Next, what about a B train here? It will be like this, both cross each other. How much this one here? 120 meter. How much this one here? 100 meter. Total distance is how much cross? This side 120 u and this side 100. Total distance is what is that? 100 plus 120. Total 220. Yes or no? What is in a local brand? VD? Then what is that velocity now? Relative velocity. They are opposite direction or same direction? Opposite ne what is that? Relative velocity VAB. VA plus very good. What is the answer? VA plus VB. 40 plus 50, totally 90 kilometer per hour. But you need to convert into 90 kilometer per hour. You need to convert into 5 by 18 meter per second. You need to convert, right? Yes or no? What is 18? How many times it will cancel, buddy? 5. 5 into 5 is how much here? 25 meter per second. You got x value, you got a VAB value also. This x value due to what is that? XAB, right? So what is the formula you can write? Velocity AB is equal to distance covered XAB divided by T. Everything in relative. Time also can we write relative time? Yes or no? Can we write? No, we cannot write. Idiots. So T is equal to what can I write? XAB divided by what is that here? VAB. What is the answer can be? 220 divided by VAB is how much, right? 25. Approximate answer tell me. 8.8. You studied significant figures, right? Round it up. 8.9. Is it correct? Oh, you want to make it full rounding up. 8.9. What is this here? Seconds. Or else approximately how much here? 9 seconds. If they ask you. If they ask you 9. We can write. We can write. They will not be there. Okay. If it is there now, what will be the answer? Less significant figure will take it. Is it done, buddy? Any difficulty? No problem, right? Okay. What Shabari? What is the answer? Chill. Shall we buddy next one? Indian. What buddy? Are you understanding this thing? Is it okay? Hmm. Can we do one more question? Do this question right. 8.9 seconds. Correct only. I'll accept 8.8, 8.9, 9 also correct answer. Because approximation is always accepted in physics. Chal. Two cars are moving in a same direction with the same speed, 30 kilometers per hour. They are separated 5 kilometers. What is the speed of the car moving in opposite direction if it meets the two cars at an interval of 4 minutes? Note down first question. Same answer. Same procedure. Very good question. Same thing only. Shall we start now? What do you do now? So there are two cars are there, which is let me take VA. Can I say like this? Another car is also there, VB. If they are parallel to each other, with the same speed and thinking that they are in the same position they are. Now what is the relative velocity between them? Relative velocity of A with respect to B will be VA minus VB is what is that here? 0. Next, one car is there here somewhere. Randomly, one car I bought it. Which car is this one here? C car. Can I take it VC car? Moving opposite direction or not? So they are separated. Two cars are moving same direction, same speed with a 30 kilometer per hour. They are separated 5 kilometers. What is the speed of the car moving opposite direction if it meets the two cars in the four? So now, I'm sorry, question I wanted to interpret like this. Yeah, I can draw. I will try to draw here. Is it okay? Right? Huh? Now will it be correct? Huh? Now both are moving with what speed they are moving, buddy? 30 kilometers per hour, and this one is also 30 kilometers per hour, and this one we don't know. We have to find it. They are crossing each other. Now relative velocity of VA with respect to VB is how much here? 0. This particular car has to meet because the originally these cars are, where is it, buddy? Originally how much kilometer distance is there here? 5 kilometers. Yes or no? Now what is it? What is the speed of the car moving opposite direction if it meets the two cars at an interval of how much here? 4 minutes. Within 4 minutes it has to cover this distance. So time is also given, distance is also given. Distance also given, time is also given. What is the time here? Tell me. 4 minutes. Can you convert minutes into hours? Yes or no? 4 divided by 60. It will be hour, right? Yes or no, right? Chill. Then what is it now? Logic you should understand. First I will create. I don't know what is the answer for it. I am trying to do it. Now there, I know I am crossing this first point. I don't know. We are not covering any distance here. I am doing it with the another car, which is a car. I am trying to do it. Shall I do it now? So what is it here? Relative velocity of A with respect to C. What is the answer now? What is the answer I can write here? Okay, relative velocity A with respect to C. I am not doing the adding and all, we'll do it later. So here a VA plus a VC we write. That is also equal to what is that here? Distance covered by time also can I write? Distance covered by time. Shall I do that? What is the distance you are covering here? Tell me. How much distance here? 5 kilometer. T value is how much here? 4 by 60 here. So it can be written as a 4 and upside can I take it 60? So total answer 4 how many times it will cancel here? 15 times. So total answer is how much here? 75. Huh? Is it correct? Right? 75 kilometers per hour is correct. So relative velocity of A with respect to C is how much here? 75. But VA value we already have it. How much here? 30 plus VC. So VC answer is how much here? 45. Very good reply. 45 kilometers per hour is the correct answer. Are you getting my point here? Chalo note down. So relative velocity whenever you are trying to do na, try to do with the, not with the data, you need to do it with the picture. Okay, if you understand picture, 90% question is already done. What, Shabari, are you writing the notes? What is it? You don't have papers in the class, sir? Calculation. Array, tomorrow, Monday, at any instant I want to see your notes. Is it done? Chalo, shabash. This you can remember it as a, what is this ray? This x is nothing but AC, can I write it? A to C. because from A to C it is crossing here, so I am taking 0, and after that 5 kilometer, after 5 kilometers you can cross second one also. Clear? Shall we do one more question? Do this question. This is meter per second, madam. Correct. I'm thinking of saying. Tell me what is the answer. So you try to draw the. We have a north, south, east,
West.
and then west. Am I correct? Huh? Now what I am taking here, see the train length is how much, buddy? 150-meter length, going towards the north direction at a speed of how much here? 10 meter per second. Means north direction means this is a train like this, going towards the north in this manner, right? Huh? So this is the velocity of train. How much? Tell me. How much? Tell me. 10 meter per second. Huh? Yes or no? Now who is coming here? A parrot flies 5 meter per second towards the south direction. Okay, so flies towards it. So let's imagine yourself. I'm drawing a parrot. Parrot will be in which color? Are you sure? Something like this. The parrot started from here, moving which direction here? Velocity of the parrot is how much here? 5 meter per second. It has to cross over all these things or not? So it is like a south direction parallel to parallel track, okay, not exactly on it, a parallel track, let us call. The time taken to the parrot to cross the train. Whenever I say time taken, you have to start from the starting of the train to the ending of the train length you need to consider. What is the length of this train we have considered here? What is it they have given? 150 meters. Yes, no, that would be your length. Right? You will write it. What is it? Relative velocity of, right? What is the relative velocity of train with respect to parrot will be how much? Vt plus Vp, both are opposite direction. So which will be how much? Huh? Yes. But here length is how much here? Parrot to train totally how much it will cover? X distance, X length divided by time. So now what is it here? Vt and Vp value is how much here? 10 plus 5. It will be how much here? 15. X by t. X by t means what is it here? X by t is equal to 15. Or else t is equal to what is it here? 150 divided by 15. Total answer is how much here? 10 seconds would be the correct answer. Got it? Huh? So that sort of question they can ask you. You should be ready with. Okay. So with this, almost all the methods, problems, graphical things are finished from this chapter. So we'll start a new chapter on the Tuesday. Okay, and Tuesday I'll start a motion in a straight line. Plane. Thank you. Yeah, total weight, relative velocity, graphical method, everything will be starting and